How to use bench boost and triple captain chips in Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use bench boost and triple captain chips in Fantasy Premier League. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Fantasy Premier League. Go ahead and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Pick Team tab and you will see the option for Bench Boost and Triple Captain on top of your screen. Simply select the play button on any of the chips that you want to use and follow the on-screen prompts further in order to be able to use the Bench Boost and Triple Captain chips in Fantasy Premier League. So, this is how you can use Bench Boost and Triple Captain chips in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.